Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the system, make a time machine backup, and ensure you have an admin account. Once done, install Homebrew to simplify package installs and 3 essentials: a Windows-style dock or taskbar app, a Start-style launcher, and an icon/theme pack. You do this now to avoid permission problems later. Make sure to allow apps in System Preferences security if prompted, and keep the downloads in one folder so you can apply them in sequence. Now you apply the core visual changes. First, disable the native dock auto-hide or move it, then install and configure uBar, or equivalent, to mimic Windows 11 taskbar behavior and center app icons. Next, use an icon tool to swap system and app icons with the downloaded Windows pack, and restart Finder to see changes. Finally, change accent and highlight colors in system settings to the Windows 11 palette. This unifies the look and makes menus and buttons consistent. To finish, set a Windows 11 wallpaper, tweak system fonts if desired, and enable any rounded corner or shadow effects your theme supports so Windows match. Then map shortcuts. Set a key for the Start-style launcher and test search, widgets, and virtual desktops. If something breaks, make sure to revert the last change first. Check security prefs for blocked apps, restart the affected app, or restore from your time machine backup. One careful rollback step usually resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.